Hey guys, what's up? JK with Porn Reboot here. I'm off running some errands in between work, and I want to share a quick message with y'all on something I call the 3 C's: confidence, commitment, and consistency. Confidence, commitment, and consistency. The only way for you to quit is to first become confident. Confident in what? Confident in whatever you are following. If you are using willpower, because willpower is finite, it will always run out. So you are never confident in the ability of your willpower to take you to, let's say, where I am, to take you to 10 years, to take you to 5 years, to take you to 1 year. So you don't have confidence because willpower is not predictable. When you run out of it, you run out of it. Sometimes you have fantastic momentum, and after struggling for 2 months, you are able to just live your life without porn for a couple of more months, and then suddenly you relapse. The reason you are relapsing is because you never had a system. Without having a system, you don't have confidence. You don't have something you can follow over and over again and go like, you know what? If I follow this, it is going to give me predictable results because I know what's going to happen, because I'm in control, and because I no longer have any self-doubt. That self-doubt of, is this gonna work? Is this really gonna last? Or am I gonna quit like the last time and slip after 2-3 months? Once that self-doubt is eliminated, you have the first C. The first C being confidence. The next C is commitment. Now, once you are confident that something you are doing works, you are now able to commit to it. See, I'm using willpower as an example because most guys use willpower. See, when you use willpower, you can't commit to willpower because willpower is not going to commit to you. Willpower is going to end after a couple of months or after a year or however strong your willpower is. So you can't you can't be committed to that. You cannot be committed to following or using willpower for 3 years or for 5 years. But once you have a system that actually works, a system that gives you confidence, now you can commit. Now you can be like, God damn it, I am going to follow this thing for the next 3 years. It's the same thing if I use an example like going to the gym and building muscle. Let's say you're a guy who has been trying to, let's say, lose weight and put on muscle for a long time, and you've tried many things and they never worked. Then you got yourself a personal trainer who put you on a specific workout plan and put you on a specific diet plan. You followed his system for 90 days and you kept the fat off and you actually put on some lean muscle. Now you have a system. Now you can commit to that goal. What's the goal you wanted? You wanted to have this fantastic looking body and be in great health and feel great for years. Now, what are you going to do? Are you going to go back to the shit you were doing before? No. You are now going to commit to the system because you have confidence, all right? And the last C is consistency. Consistency simply means doing what needs to be done regularly. You cannot do something on a consistent basis if you are not committed, and you cannot be committed if you do not have confidence. So the consistency is what leads to a reboot. Consistency in a certain lifestyle. Many guys go like, oh, JK, I don't know how I can live the life that you live. I don't know how I can be disciplined. I don't know how I can have a good schedule. I don't know how I can stay off social media. I don't know how I can do all these things that are involved in a recovery lifestyle on a consistent basis. Or they go like, you'll see in the comments, even in the comment section here, give it a day, you're going to see comments from guys who are saying, man, I tried to do this for so long, for this amount of time, and then I quit. It's been blah, blah, blah number of months, and I slipped. Help me. Nothing wrong with that, brothers. I love all of you, but this is me helping you, okay? Listen up. Listen carefully. To be consistent, you must be confident in what you're doing. Ask yourself, am I confident in what I'm doing? If you're not, find a way to get confident. And the easiest way to get confidence is to get a system that works. After that, ask yourself, am I committed? When I say committed, it doesn't mean am I determined. Some of you mistake determination for commitment. You're really determined to quit porn, but you think that is commitment. Here's what the definition of commitment is. And these are my definitions, okay? Commitment means agreeing to do something for a period of time long after the emotion that you experienced when you first made that commitment has passed. All right? It means doing something that you agree to do for a period of time long after the emotion that you experienced when you first made that commitment has passed. That's a difficult thing to do. It means I don't feel like doing it, but I'm still going to do it, right? Because we're not always going to be in the same emotional state. So what do you do about that? You have to be really confident that it will work. Confidence, commitment, and then consistency. Once you are able to even get one of them, firstly, confidence that it works, all the videos here are going to make sense to you. Now, I do want to address one more thing. Some men get very frustrated when they watch my videos and they tell me, JK, I am so frustrated because it seems like you tell us a lot of things, but I just don't feel like you're telling us how to actually quit porn. I feel that maybe we have to pay you money to learn how to quit porn. You don't have to work with me to beat this. You don't have to pay me money to learn how to do this. Everything that you need is right here on this YouTube page. And there's a great material out there as well from other people and other organizations. The reason you're feeling frustrated is because you are looking for an easy way out. You are so used to getting all these quick tips from influencers who are trying to grow their channels and presence on YouTube and are jumping on the porn addiction bandwagon when they don't really know anything about it. So you're so used to this information that you want quick information. You listen to me and you go like, man, this guy seems to be dropping real facts. I hope it can help me. I hope it is going to give me an answer. No. You are not going to overcome something that you spent years building. This compulsive behavior with porn and masturbation, it's not going to disappear because you watch one video. One video may be the catalyst for it. So understand that you need to put it all together in a system for it to work. All right? All right, guys, that's my message for today. A quick reminder that live online group coaching, the Porn Reboot Intensive, is now open for registration. You can click on the link in the description or visit pornreboot.com/intensive to join. The price is going to double when I open it again. So I'm only taking a few number of guys and you're going to be able to work with me live. You're going to be able to get an accountability partner. You're going to be able to learn how to put all these things that I've been talking about in order and have a system that can build your confidence. You're actually going to have something you can commit to. And here's the beautiful part. You're going to have lifetime access to this group coaching. I'm going to be running it in different seasons. So there's going to be a season for this for 6 weeks. Then there's going to be a break for a month and another season. Those of you who join now will get permanent access to that, which means that even after live coaching with me in the group, you're going to be able to come back and watch the recordings. You're going to have permanent access to our private group and have accountability partners in there. And when the next season of this launches and new students join in, you don't need to pay to join. You're in there. You're in there permanently and you're not paying anymore. But the best part about this is finally, you are going to be able to gain confidence. You're going to have something you can commit to, and you're going to have people who are going to help you stay consistent in your recovery. All right? I'm JK, your brother in this struggle. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Listen, I want to see you in the Porn Reboot Intensive. Have a wonderful day.